Good afternoon everyone, especially to Ma'am Rodriguez. I am Sajed Esparmalejo from BSCE 1A, and what I am going to report now is about the communication barriers under Barland's transactional communication model, right? And there are only four communication barriers under the Barland's transactional communication model, which are um, the cultural differences, the noise, the channel limitations, and the feedback channel. So I am going to start with the cultural differences. The solution of that is to use simple and clear terms. Example of that is what Ma'am Rodriguez have said in the past meeting or past class. She said that about that word langgam. So example guys, when people from Luzon came to in the Visayas area, and um, they see an ant, and the in Tagalog langgam means an ant, and in Visayas area langgam means a bird. So when the people from Luzon talk about langgam, and the Bisaya people was confused because langgam for them is a bird. So that's the example for the cultural differences. So the next one is noise. um, we already know that noise is a communication barrier in all of communication. Just like for example, we are on a construction site, and um, it is very noisy, and when the architect and the engineers are talking in the middle of the construction site, they don't hear each other because it is very noisy, right? And the solution for that is to minimize noise. So the architect and the engineer should have a private place where there is no noise, right? And the third one is the feedback channel. Sorry. um and like I said, feedback channel. The solution for that is to improve the feedback mechanism, right? Example for that is when me and my friend argues over something in a, let's say, in a audio call in messenger, right? And when we argue over something, and when I receive an information, and um, yes, my friend can hear my tone of the tone of my voice, but he or she can't see me because it is only audio call. um, the solution for that is to have a video chat, so that he or she can see my feedback, because our feedback can be verbal or non-verbal. If it is only verbal and you can see the non-verbal, like the cues, there will be always a barrier for that. And the last one is the channel limitations. um, Example for that, yeah, example for that is when you don't have mobile data to open your messenger. So you can't video chat your friends or colleagues. So instead of video chatting, you just call your friend through landline. So although you are communicating each other, but you can't see his or her face or the cues, the non-verbal cues that she is reacting. So the solution for that is to choose an appropriate channel. So the appropriate channel for that, so that you can see everything, is to have a video chat, because it may cause communication barrier when you don't know what she or he is reacting through your when you send when you tell him a information. You can't tell whether he or she likes your information that you have given to him or her. So yeah, that's all. And once again, I am Sajid Esparmalejo, and good afternoon to everybody. Thank you.